Hey guys, welcome back. We got a silly one for you today. So this is my 98 Nissan Frontier. And, I love these Frontiers for their mechanical kind of reliability. But if I were to make a complaint, it would be that the electrical system on this car is pure shit. I have this phantom drain that has always been with the vehicle, and I never could figure out why. And so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to install one of these. This is a remote controlled switch. It's like a hard kill switch. And it's going to go between the negative terminals. So that way I can physically disconnect the power from the entire vehicle at all times, when I'm not using it, and just reconnect it through a remote module. And that's what we're doing today. So I'm going to install it and then show you how it works. All right, we're back. So we've installed our module, and here's the remote control. I'm not sure if you could hear the clicking, the relay clicking, but that's on, that's off. All right, now the ignition is in the ready position. We're going to turn it off. You see it physically disconnected from the battery. Turning it back on. So it works. I wonder what happens if we turn it off. Yeah. It doesn't matter. The alternator will keep the car running, even if the battery's disconnected. Notice we can't bring it back to ready position because we cut it off. So yeah, this thing works pretty good. I'll put the links in the description below. And if you ever have electrical problems like I do, this may be a hack. All right, hope this video helps you. Good luck.